Using the Imagi charms has made some kids get really interested in coding as a career, or computer graphics, seeing computer science art. I am super appreciative of your pre-made lessons, and I am super appreciative that you've made them that you can go ahead and make them your own. So many of coding tools out there, you have their stuff and you can't edit their stuff, like it's just already made and it's locked down. I think one of the greatest things about Imagi is that you have them on Google Slides that people can make copies of and edit them, change them, add to them. So it's like you have the lessons pre-made, and that saves every teacher's day when you don't have to make your own lesson plans to go through teaching the kids coding. But I think the fact that you are willing to share them and let them be edited is massive, more so than most of the other tools out there. One thing I noticed is that with the Imagi, it wasn't so quick and easy to figure out the bugs. The kids actually truly had to go through the code and figure it out, and they would get super frustrated, but in reality that was actually a good thing for them, because it was part of guys, one simple dot in the wrong space, one simple thing wrong, and your whole code isn't going to work. And I think that there was value in that for the kids, versus sometimes with the block coding or some of the other programs, it's so quick to give them the answer to the problem. Or there's you're simply just following steps, and they're not having to actually learn the language, they're just following the steps of the program. With the Imagi Labs, they were working in teams together to code things together and create animations together. So I think them getting up and getting collaborative, and even though they would sometimes freak out when their thing didn't run, when it did run, then when they figured it out, the excitement, and that it was those got you moments that you get in the classroom. But in this way, it was got you with getting my code to run. And that's so exciting to see kids do that. Even at a sixth grade level, that I know it's not high school, I know these kids aren't in advanced coding yet, and it's an exploratory class, but that's the point. They're exploring this and they're seeing what future jobs and careers they might, this might lead to for them. And if they decide once they get up into high school that they want to pursue that more, it's set a great foundation for them of just interest and excitement in the field. They definitely like the art aspect of it, I think, versus maybe some of the, other just coding games or coding things. But I think that the girls seem to really enjoy it as well. And girls that maybe, like I said, are in computer solutions or computer class, that wasn't their first choice, when they start doing the coding, and especially when they're working with some of the other girls to put their coding charms together and make pictures together, they seem to get really into it. They like to make the cute stuff, and when they can make their little pixel art wink or move or whatever, it's exciting to them. And some of the girls at our school would wear them proudly for the week or whatever that they got to loan it out. It was so cute. We have not had any kids destroy their charm yet. Fantastic. So I'm super proud of the charm's durability. I'm going to be working with the computer solutions teachers again this year, so we'll be re-implementing, replaying with them. I would like to see it go into some of the other classes as well, but it's a little bit difficult because you can't do it in any of the other electives, because then you don't want students to be repeating things. Right. But I would like to find a way to connect it to some of the core classes, just math, science, English, especially science class I think would be great.